Hi everyone, my name is Edward Churchian and I teach math at Pierce College. I've always known that my students have a Facebook account and are quite active on that social network, but it wasn't until I joined the 5th cohort of FTLA that I found out how great a tool Facebook can be inside the classroom. I utilize Facebook group pages for the classes I teach. I'm showing you the Facebook group page for my Math 261 Calculus 1 course from this semester. All the students have already joined this Facebook group page, and that allowed me to learn their names rather quick because I can associate a face to a name using this Facebook page. Not only that, the students are able to communicate freely with each other on Facebook. They would post questions about the homework, they would ask each other about questions for an upcoming exam or review together, and sometimes they'll post images of their math work if they can't type it in onto Facebook. The way I would utilize the site is I would post further resources, links to other classes or to videos that I would feel are important for them to watch. Here are some examples of that. Facebook is a really popular social network that almost all of our students already have an account for. Thus communicating with them through Facebook is actually quite helpful. My students have always said that they enjoy it and they feel very stress-free in this environment. Not only that, as you could tell, I'm a part of quite a few Facebook groups. All of these groups are math courses that my peers colleagues have started up at Pierce College. So this phenomenon is definitely spreading at our school. Now while I was at FTLA, even though I learned plenty about Facebook, I also learned a lot about syllabus redesign. I'm going to show you an old syllabus of mine from a Math 120 course. This is plain geometry. Now this syllabus is okay, it's very linear and neat, and I used to pride myself on that. And it has pretty much all the information that I wanted my students to have. But it doesn't really feel welcoming. The language might not be as positive as we would like. So after doing a syllabus redesign activity at FTLA, I ended up with my brand new syllabus, and it looks as such. As you could tell, this syllabus is a lot warmer and more inviting to students. It doesn't start out by listing a bunch of rules or procedures. It starts out by explaining why we should study geometry. It essentially has the same exact information the old syllabus had. My name, my website, my email, my office hours, the book, the materials needed for class, the grades, the schedule, the student learning outcomes, and the disability awareness, as well as zero tolerance cheating policy. But it's organized in a way that is a lot more inviting. This syllabus is a lot better, in my opinion, than my previous syllabus, and my students tend to agree. These links are live, they're clickable. So when I post the syllabus on my website or on Moodle, students are able to click on these links and they're taken to, for example, the publisher's website or my website, or they can drop me a line if they like. Syllabus redesign was one of my favorite activities at FTLA, and I'm spreading the word around it all over Pierce College. My students said that they really enjoyed having this nice, colorful syllabus that sort of brought life to the class from day one.